Hello, today we are going to be doing an unboxing from Orchids4u2006 on eBay. So they are an orchid nursery that is out of Northern California, and I think the last orchid that I got from this eBay seller was my Paphiopedilum Lincupowitz. And I've noticed that they always use these boxes that open up from the bottom and not from like the top or anything like that. And I kind of like these better. I don't know, I think it's easier to pull them out like this. Ooh. And there's a note. What's in here? Oh, this is just my receipt. And yeah, they're Austin Creek orchids, but on YouTube there's something else. I feel like they have a different ID, but I'll check on that later. And it's actually bigger than I expected because this is a miniature variety of a Dendrobium species, and the picture that they had on it was quite small, so I'm wondering why it's so big. Maybe they just put a lot of newspaper around it or something like that. Yeah, so it's not, actually looks exactly like it did on the pictures. And those of you who grow dendrobiums might be able to tell what this is already. This is, I think, my second dendrobium that I've had, and my first one is like dying outside right now. Or I don't know if it's dying, but it doesn't look very happy. So I'm just gonna pause and put all this away and then I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So I did check on eBay, and their eBay name is Orchid4u. Orchid, the number 4, the letter U, and then 2006. But I guess their real name is Austin Creek Orchids, and I'll have to check out their website sometime, because I don't think I ever have looked at their website before. Okay, here's the baby. So, this is a Dendrobium Dendrobium speciosum variety pedunculatum, and this is, as I said before, and as you can see, a miniature version of Dendrobium speciosum. I think the sort of more common version, or the normal form version, has like canes that can get to like about a foot long, and these are like only a couple inches. So this is great because I want to grow this one indoors, because my last Dendrobium, I think it's like a Kingianum or a Kingianum hybrid. I have it outdoors and it looks kind of crazy right now, so I wanted to get a smaller Dendrobium that I can grow indoors, and then once it gets big enough, I can just divide it and then see how the other half does outdoors and still keep part of it indoors as well. So, it feels like it's nicely rooted in here, like it's not moving. I mean, it's jiggling a little bit. So I think the back roots have died off, but I don't know if you can really see. But right in there, so right here there's roots. So like this bulb for sure has roots, but I don't know about the rest of them. But it seems to be fine. I mean, the bulbs are all plump and healthy, so there's no complaints there. And it has a new growth, which is wonderful. So yeah, this is my Dendrobium. This is the second to last orchid that I'm going to be getting this year of 2021. However, this video may not make it out until next year, like January or February even, depending on how fast I edit my backlog of videos. But yeah, after this one, I'm just going to be getting my second Christmas orchid. My friend gives me like $100 every year to buy orchids, so I already bought one of them, filmed that unboxing, and then I'm going to be getting another one as well. Anyways, thank you for watching my orchid unboxing of Dendrobium speciosum variety pedunculatum from Orchids4u2006 on eBay, also known as Austin Creek Orchids. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, and we're back really quick. Just kind of a PS. I just noticed at the bottom that it has quite a few roots. Down here at the bottom, you can kind of see through all the holes that there's roots down at the bottom. So it is quite well rooted, even though it seems like the roots are only coming from one pseudobulb up here. but I have another one right here that's going to root out anyway, so I'm not worried at all. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.